Hello, we're here today with SLE equipment to look at this 7x14 telescopic dump trailer. Going to the front here, we'll see our adjustable hitch, safety chains, jack, breakaway cable, breakaway box, and then we'll have our hydraulic dump remote. We'll have our utility box in the front here. Does have a lock and key with it. We have the hydraulic fluid container. You'll have the hydraulic cable for the remote. 12-volt battery, of course. Then you got the motor back there. And then on these trailers you do have the 7-pin round connector for the trailer lights and brakes. Go ahead and close that. See the telescopic hydraulic connection here. On the sides of the trailer it does have stake pockets so you can raise the sides if need be. You can also see it's got ramps that are attached to these trailers as well. Take a look at the axles. Of course, these trailers, they got two 7K axles. The center hub on those is going to be a rubber fitting that you can remove to allow you to be able to grease the axles fairly easily. They've got stabilization jacks where you can put them down in the rear for just legs. So you remove the pin, let it go in place, put another pin back in. Fairly easy to operate. Look at the rear gate here. I will be putting the dump trailer in the down position to look at it as well. This just kind of gives us a viewing angle to look at it. Now at the bottom down here you can see we got D-rings for tie down points. Some up top in the front as well. Now on the very front up here, we do have a spare tire mount. I'll come back around to look at once we let this down. Two metal pieces on the sides to make it easy to step up on there. We'll look at the frame. And then the framework up underneath the dump bed. Now all the lighting on these trailers are LED. Nice and bright when it's dark outside. Alright, so this will take me a moment, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dump down. Now the dump trailer on these two, how these areas on the front that we'll take a look at, they've got some safety chains that you put on when it's not in use to make sure we can lock them down in place. Of course, as seen on the trailer, you can see the safety tape. I'll go back around the trailer now that we got it in the down position. It's easier to see the gate latch mechanism back here. You can put a padlock back there if you want to, or how this bar latch goes across. Got two arms that twist around on both the top and bottom sides. And of course, when it swivels back, we'll also have some latching pins here. Here's the stake pockets I was talking about. Now these ramps for loading and unloading, they do have a safety pin in here, so it keeps them locked in place. Here's our spare tire mount. Got just a bolt that goes here and a nut that goes here. Same thing down here to lock it in. On the front, they are designed where you can put tarp systems on here. So this will be an area where the tarp can be mounted. I know he said something about the adjustable hitch. So what we'll see here, you got a bolt here, you got these adjustment holes. So as you need to drop or lower it, you'll just take these out, readjust them either higher or lower based on your vehicle. And that'll be our 7x14x2 telescopic dump trailer from Chubbs. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll be happy to help you here at SLE. Thank you.